I'm definitely not the naturalist, most natural person on earth. Hey loves, it's your girl DizastrousBeauty coming back with the voiceover. So this unit was sent to me by WESTKISS Hair. Shout out to you, WESTKISS, for sending me this unit. Right here I'm showing you guys what all came in the packaging, and now we can get into this unit, honey. Right here I'm showing you the cap construction. It does come with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps, and it is a 13x4 lace wig. The color that they have on here it's a number 8 brown. The color does look more of a honey, you know, more of a reddish type vibe to me, but they do have the color as brown. This is a body wave unit, and I'll give you guys more details and specs in the outro. So if you are interested in those details, specs, and all that good stuff, then please continue to watch, and I will see you love bugs in the outro. Bye. Y'all, so I am obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you are interested in the details, the specs, and all that good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. So this unit that I am rocking was sent to me by WESTKISS. Shout out to you, WESTKISS, for sending me another unit. If you've been watching me for a while, then you already know your girl is definitely a WESTKISS stan, honey. Like, I'm a stan. So once again, shout out to you, WESTKISS. Okay, so So the details and specs on this unit, I actually had to go on the site. Normally WESTKISS already have sent me the information and all that good stuff, but the unit came today. I didn't have anything else to film, so I was like, honey, we just gonna go ahead and do it, okay? I felt like filming, so here we are. So I'm on the site, and I'll have the picture up after I give you guys the details and specs. I'm gonna have the picture somewhere on the screen so you guys can see what it looks like on the site, or you can just click on the link in the description box, sis. But anyways, it says the name of this wig is brown wig, ombre wig, straight hair, body wave, brown lace front wig. So I guess you can also get it in straight, because obviously this one is more of a body wave texture. Yeah, it looks like you can get it in straight or body wave. So it says brand name WESTKISS, hair type virgin human hair, lace wig. I don't know about the virgin. Somebody pointed out to me once before, they were like, how is it virgin if it's been dyed? And this hair has been dyed. But that's what they have on here. It says hair texture, straight hair / body wave lace front wig, hair color number 8 brown. The lengths that they have in stock is 10 to 24 inches. I do have it in the 24 inches. It says lace material, Swiss lace, and medium brown color. I honestly kind of felt like this, the lace was transparent, but it has on here. I'm just gonna tell y'all what they got, okay? It says Swiss lace and medium brown color. Let's see, features 100% human hair, can be restyled, can be wet, all that good stuff, all the stuff that you can do to human hair. Now as far as this wig, let me see, I think it comes in small, mediums, and large. Let's see. Yeah, it does come in medium, small, and large, and no matter what size you get it in, it will not change the price. I am currently rocking a medium. I do feel like this medium is big head friendly, but if you feel like your head cannot fit a medium, you can just go ahead and get a large, honey. It's not gonna change the price, but I am currently wearing a medium. Okay, and as I stated, they said that you can only, it goes up to 24 inches, but right here, it looks like you can also get it in 26 inches. So yeah, the density that I have it in is 180% density, and as I stated, I do have the body wave, but you can get it in the straight. I do have it 180% density, and I do have 24 inches. Now, if you were to get this wig in 24 inches, in 180% density, all that good stuff, if you were to get the exact wig that I have on my head, the price is $293, honey, okay? Now, as far as shedding and tangling with this wig, honestly, I haven't noticed any shedding yet. I did get some shedding, but I knew that was from me cutting the hair over here, because I always end up cutting the hair around my ears, but it wasn't shedding prior to that. And as far as tangles, it wasn't tangling before I wand curled it and pinned it, but afterwards it was tangling. So I'm guessing that's more of a me problem. It wasn't tangling bad, but I was like hitting snags. But prior to me doing that, I was not getting any snags. Like I could literally run my fingers through it. As far as the hairline with this wig, honey, like, girl, do you see her? Like, honey, do you see her? Like, this one, the hairline honestly reminds me of that that 99J wig that I did for them, and I'll have a picture or something so you guys can see it. That's how this hairline that's what this hairline reminds me of, and that's what the lace reminded me of. It kind of just like melts in, and to me it looks transparent, but like I said, they do have brown on there. I would say that it's not brown only because usually when I put on brown lace, it is a bit darker than me, and when I wear transparent lace, it like literally melts like to perfection. So I would say that it's transparent lace. And yeah, that's pretty much it for details and specs and stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead now and just give you guys a quick lint check, because that's basically it as far as details and specs. So let's do that. Okay, so this hair is 24 inches. I did cut it some and add a few layers, but I did have a clip, and I hope I insert it. I don't know when I'm gonna insert it, but I have a clip where you guys can see before I ended up cutting the length of it. But I am 5'4", so this is where 24 inches come on me. Look at my buttons, honey. My buttons be going through it. And this is where it comes to me in the back. So as you guys can see, it's pretty long, like it's at my butt. But as I stated, I am only 5'4", so I'm not like super tall. Depending on your height, you know, it depends on how long the wig is gonna be. So I'm 5'4". If you're 5'4", girl, it's probably gonna come there to you, okay? So yeah, that's pretty much it for detail, specs, and all that. So if you are interested in how I feel about this wig as well as what I used on it, you know, talking a little bit more about that, then please continue to watch. As far as how I feel about this wig, honey, I think you pretty much know that I am in love with this wig, y'all. I am so glad that I don't have anything else to film because I am gonna be wearing her. Like, I'm off today, I'm off tomorrow. She will be on my head both days, girl. She might be on my head. I wonder, can I wear this to work? Because it says it's brown, and I'm gonna talk about that, but I think I'm gonna wear it to work. And when they say like you ain't supposed to wear that color, I'm gonna be like, what, you can't wear brown hair? Like, it's brown. Like, you can't wear brown hair to work. But yeah, I love this wig. I love the color. I love that the color to me looks like it did on the site. Let me go back and look, honey, because I might be lying to you. It looks a little more brown on the site than on me. Like, but I love this color. Actually, I love the way that it looks this color versus that. That's usually not the case for me. Like, usually I get a wig and if it ain't the exact same color as the picture, I'm like but honestly, I love this color. It's like a honey-ish type color. I don't know, girl, but I am loving it. I am living for it. It is an entire look. Like, this is definitely one of my favorite wigs. Like, right now I am obsessed with this wig, okay? You know WestKiss always come through with the come through, honey, and they definitely came through with oh girl. Now, as far as what I did to her, I did, as you guys saw at the beginning, I did use my curling iron, and I one curled it with my curling iron, and then I used them little pins and I pinned it up to, you know, like pin curled it. And I let that sit not long enough for me to put it on my head and do my makeup. And then I just took those down, and I did add a few layers. And I've been looking at it thinking I may want to add a few more, just like in the bang area. What you guys think? I wish y'all could talk to me. I need to start doing lives, but I'm hella shy. But yeah, I feel like I need to add a little bit more bangs, but y'all know I can get Scissor happy, Cynthia. You know I can get Scissor happy, okay? So I don't want to mess it up. I don't know. I'll probably wait for a while. I'll probably wait till after the video. I'm going to see what you guys say in the comments, but I kind of wanted to layer it a little more. But I am in love. Like, and I used my new Chi holding spray, and I think I'm going to spray it a little more. I didn't want to spray it too much because this stuff it'll have your hair hard, and I ain't trying to have hard hair. I just want it to last, but yeah. I can't seem to find a happy medium with my sprays, because you know the freezer wasn't doing nothing and this one is doing too much. I need a happy medium, but I am in love, okay? I love the hairline. Like, y'all, do you see this, girl? Do you see it? I wish I could zoom in. I can't, but you see it, girl. I know you see it. It is a look. Let me know down below what you think. Do you feel like it's a look? Do you feel like it's a vibe? Let me know down below. I will, as I stated, have a direct link to it down below in case you are interested in it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360 and we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. I hope you guys can see that. And this is it on the right side. I don't know if I mentioned that it is a 13x4 frontal, so you can part it. Like, you got that parting space in here if you want to. Like, you can part it where you want. I just chose to part it over here. I actually for once did change the parting. Like, usually I'll just kind of go with however the wig comes, but I had a look in my head, honey, and y'all know how I am. Once something is in my head, that's what she gonna do, and that's what she did. Oh, and to achieve that part, I used my Lot of Body mousse, and I just brushed it down, and then I used my wax stick. I do have direct links to those, the wax stick and the Lot of Body mousse down below in the description box. It is affiliate links, honey, so if you don't want your girl to get no points, I don't know what to tell you, honey. You just gonna have to find it. But yeah, that is it, honey. Like, it's a look. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling myself. Y'all always know when I like a wig. I know you can tell even in the beginning of the video before I say I like it. You can tell when I like a wig. Like, you just can. Like, I can't hide it, girl. I can't contain myself. But yeah, that's it. Let me know down below in the comments what you guys think. And yeah, once again, shout out to you, WESTKISS. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, something you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, sis, click the subscribe button. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and Facebook. I'm held to Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.